Now this is the first Lower Hack railroad swing bridge, and I don't know when this bridge was constructed. It probably was constructed in the late 1800s, and it was replaced with another swing bridge in 1902. For us, the first Delaware, Lackawanna, and Western first Lower Hack Railroad swing bridge, and it's located in Jersey City, New Jersey. And this is the first Lower Hack railroad swing bridge. There you go. Now this the second Lower Hack railroad swing bridge built in 1902 for the Delaware, Lackawanna, and Western Railroad. That's the second railroad swing bridge. And now this is the Lower Hack Railroad vertical lift bridge. Replaced the second swing bridge, the 902 swing bridge. 1902 swing bridge. So this is a third swing. This is a third vertical lift bridge. Yeah, this bridge is still in service for railroad traffic. So the bridge crosses the Hackensack River, located in Jersey City, New Jersey. It's still in service and in operation.